It is the 4th of January, but if you failed your MOT, you can't drive the car on the road at all for any reason.
Yeah,
That's
because
the complaint needs to be with Castle Point Motors, yeah?
that's basically my complaint, because it's not just me. Basically, he failing to all of us. Jadi sekarang gue tuh ada ilegal ini intinya.
That I have suspended your plate.
Okay, 1 moment, and I'll put you on hold and I'll see if I can transfer you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello, good
Thanks
afternoon.
for calling back.
No, it's alright. Leave on.
You did. You rescheduled it for the 12th, haven't you?
Yeah, because I failed the MOT, so I need to.
All right. So
So-
have you not been driving you've not driven the car at all since? Someone thought they'd seen you driving the car.
I thought my expiry date's only gonna be in 4th of January.
It is the 4th of January, but if you failed your MOT, you can't drive the car on the road at all for any reason. Your
Alright.
MOT's expired.
Hell.
You can't drive the car, definitely not for work, and not even
Okay.
to Sainsbury's. It's got no MOT.
I'm gonna come.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm
Yeah,
gonna try
because
to do it
the first
ASAP.
day you can get back into Castle Point Motors. I mean, if you have a complaint about you don't think it should have failed,
Yeah,
that's
because
the complaint needs to be with Castle Point Motors, yeah?
that's basically my complaint, because it's not just me. Basically, he failing to all of us. Same car, same thing. He failing. Yeah, it's just the same thing.
Yeah. I mean, even if he didn't fail you on the headlamps, your foot brakes and your parking
Yeah,
brakes
I
didn't
know.
work either,
Yeah.
so they would have failed on that one as well too.
Yeah, I know. I get that one,
But
but
you can mention if you mention when you go back about the lamps, they'll explain to you why that failed, and if you're not happy about that, you can tell them then. They'll explain that to you
all right.
about it, how the angle of the headlamps, isn't it? It looks like.
I know what the issue is. That's why,
Yeah.
like later, I'm gonna take a video, because if he fail me again after I fix it, then that definitely.
I mean, yeah, if you mention that you'd like them to explain, what the angle should be and why it failed, they'll be happy to do that. But obviously, we're not. I'm not an MOT inspector, so I couldn't explain that to you.
No, it's all right. Okay, then thank you so much for your
All
time,
right. You're
okay.
very welcome.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye. Bloody hell. Right guys, so tadi tuh ya council nelpon gue. Gue baru aja lock off nih, jam 12:53 nih ya, tanggal 24 besok Natal udah. Intinya sih sekarang ya gue udah nggak boleh apa sih, kerja. Ya udah, barusan tadi gue lock off nih, padahal lagi sibuk lagi. Cuma itu ya it is what it is. Tadi kalau kalian sempat dengar, jadi gue dapat info ya tadi pagi gue ketemu temen gue, dia mobilnya sama juga kayak gue nih. Jadi sini ada 5-6 taksi yang mobilnya itu sama begini ya. Dan teman gue itu juga dia di failin dia sama ini orang mekanik ini nih. Dan bukan cuma gue sama dia aja itu loh, ada malah satu nih sampai sekarang nih belum balik kerja lagi karena itu nggak lolos uji. Dan malah temen gue bilang ke gue kalau dia nih mekanik ini dia sengaja dia rusakin, karena temen gue sampai 3 kali sampai 3 kali bolak-balik. Dan gue tadi ya udah sekalian komplain juga ke council. Gue pikir sebelumnya MOT gue itu tuh habisnya sama dengan license mobil gue ini. Ternyata gue salah. Jadi sekarang ini MOT gue tuh udah lewat. Jadi sekarang gue tuh udah ilegal ini intinya. Sorry guys, batuk-batuk. Nah ini nih kalau gue di stopin polisi dan mereka cek, gue kena fine gue nih. Makanya gue juga mau ada masalah nggak worth it ya. Walaupun ya gue masih tadi gue pikir gue bakal masih akan kerja sampai minggu depan, karena tadi gue udah book nih untuk gue dapet bengkel dekat rumah gue, book untuk perbaiki nih masalahnya nih. Cuma baru akan dilihat minggu depan ya, Rabu minggu depan. Jadi ya again ya, ini seperti di sini lah. Gue cuma mau istirahat aja dulu lah. Stop cari duit ini juga. Gue harus kasih tahu bos gue nih, gue gak mau ada masalah. Gue bilang tadi ke council ya, gue pikir habisnya sama dengan iya license mobil gue, ternyata tuh enggak. Sucks. 1 mingguan lebih nih gue bakal nggak kerja nih. Malah temen gue sampai bilang nih, mekanik nih yang gagalin kita ini, dia orangnya rasis. Ya di sini susah sih emang, kalau orang udah begitu susah ya. Kayak temen gue sampai 3 kali digagalin, kan gila. Makanya ini nih gue rencana bakal gue video ini setelah diperbaiki. Gue mau videoin istilahnya 5 menit sebelum gue ke bengkelnya mereka nih, ya kan. Jadi bakal jelas nih kalau dia sengaja rusakin, bakal ketahuan. Buat kalian yang nanya kenapa nggak ke bengkel yang lain, I wish guys kita semuanya tuh baca ini untuk tes MOT banyak sekali bengkel tuh yang bisa melakukan itu gitu loh. Cuma karena ini kita taksi ya, jadi dari council itu tuh udah tunjuk bengkel ini nih, cuma bengkel satu ini doang nih untuk nanganin ya. Iya nih semua yang taksi-taksi di daerah sini. Jadi nggak bisa, mereka nggak akan akui kita tuh kalau kita MOT kita tuh dari bengkel yang lain. Pokoknya cuma yang diakui cuma Castle Point ini. Jadi ya yang ada yang bisa kita lakukan. Masanya sebelum gue mobil taksi gue yang ketiga ya, mobil taksi gue yang ketiga, dan baru kali ini gitu loh fail itu. Sebelumnya bukan sama orang ini, sama ada lagi anak lebih muda lagi, ini udah orang tua ya. selalu nggak ada masalah. Nah tiba-tiba dia ini kan, terus bukan cuma salah satu korban lagi, ada beberapa kita gitu. Kayaknya udah jelas salahnya tuh di mana. Apalagi kalau dia betul-betul, temen gue bilang tuh sih, dia sengaja emang merusakin. Karena kita kan nggak bisa istilahnya nungguin dia kan, apa yang dilakuin ya kan. Mungkin technically kita bisa kali ya. Cuma gitu lah maksudnya, apalagi kalau temen gue bilang kalau emang betul-betul dia rasis ya, ya guys, mau gimana? Kalau orang, temen gue bilang makanya dia yang digagal itu dari kita yang semua yang dari Asia gitu, ya susah. Lo mau gimana pun, cuma ya ini kita satu-satu itu udah pada komplek council. Lihat aja nih kalau semakin banyak komplainnya kan ya, kan semakin jelas aja. Mudah-mudahan deh. Gak sabar Jo. Begitu istirahat lah, nambah 1 minggu lagi off. Ya total tahun ini gue mungkin bisa 2 minggu nih. Total tahun ini gue off 7, mungkin 8 minggu, hampir 2 bulan lah.
I think you've got a date for coming in to renew with us on the 16th, is that correct?
I think I rescheduled for 12, but I said to Helen,
let's have a quick look.
if I can get it done obviously before 12, I'm gonna let you know.
Okay, we are not in the office next week.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we're not back until the 5th of January, which
Yeah.
is the day after your plate has expired.
Yeah. No, yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just so you're aware of that, let's have a quick look. Did you say you booked in for the 12th, did you say?
Yeah, I think I booked for the 12th. Can I say something quickly?
Yeah, go on. Yeah.
Because I said to Helen, because I just spoke to my other colleague, which, yeah, but he said, just complain about it, because I'm not the only one now. Basically, it's the same thing. It's the headlamp leveling device that he fell on. Like, this is my third car, and yeah, only this time, I have this issue, and I found out then.
It wasn't just the headlights, so was it? 'Cause
Yeah,
I know
the
you
disc.
obviously had the brakes done.
Yeah, the brake. Yeah, I understand that, but the headlights is not just me. It happened to Malik and a few others. Even there's one until now still, dealing with it. Yeah. So. Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not an expert in MOTs as to what is pass and what's
I
fail.
know.
Hence the reason why we use an MOT garage
Yeah.
for them to do that for us. So I can't comment on that as to why they've determined to fail your headlights. Like I say, I'm going to email you to let you know that I have suspended your plate.
No worries.
And you can't obviously work while the MOT is not valid and has not been sort of approved by Castle Point Motors.
Yeah, I
But like I say,
understand.
you're fully aware of that I
Yeah.
have to legally serve the notice on you. Okay?
Yeah, no worries.
Okay. All right. Well, hopefully we can get this fixed and rectified as quickly as we can. And thanks for letting Steve know as well
Yeah.
of the situation.
Yeah.
But I'll include Steve in the notification as well,
Okay.
as per our conversation. All right?
Okay. Thank you so much, Stephen, and
Thank
happy
you.
Christmas and happy New Year to you.
And you. Yeah. Thank you. And you
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Bye. Bloody hell, that's the kepala licensing team. Bosnya langsung telepon gue. Oh, live. Guys, buat kalian yang merayakan Natal ya, selamat Natal guys. Dan ya, selamat tahun baru nanti ya. Nikmatilah waktu dengan keluarga. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one guys. Bye bye.